In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find channels you left on Telegram. If you accidentally left a channel or just want to return to something you were following, there are a few reliable ways to locate it again quickly. I'll walk you through each method, explain what to look for, and share a couple of simple tips to make the process smoother. Start with the global search bar, which is the most effective approach. Open the Telegram app and tap the magnifying glass icon at the top to bring up search. Type the channel's name or even just a few keywords you remember, like the topic or a phrase from its posts. As results load, look under the channels section and watch for familiar details such as the channel logo, description, or subscriber count. If multiple channels have similar names, open the one that looks most familiar and check the preview. When you've found the right one, tap Join to resubscribe. If nothing appears at first, try alternate spellings, include or remove emojis, or use broader keywords. Also, be mindful of lookalike channels. Verify by scanning recent posts to confirm it's the one you want. If that doesn't surface it, check your search history. From your main chat list, swipe down to reveal the search field and recent searches. This area often keeps a handy list of channels and terms you've looked up before. Scroll through to spot the name or keyword you used when you originally found the channel. Tap the result to open it. Confirm it's the correct channel by reviewing its content and then tap Join. Keep in mind that search history may clear over time, so this method works best if you are trying to return to a channel you left relatively recently. Another practical method is to look for any shared links to the channel in your chats. If you or a friend ever posted the channel's me link in a group, a one-on-one chat, or even your saved messages, scroll back through that conversation. To speed things up, use the in-chat search. Open the chat, tap Search, and type the channel name. When you find the link, tap it to open the channel and rejoin. This is especially helpful if the channel had a unique invite link or if you remember sharing it with someone. With these three methods: global search, recent searches, and shared links, you'll be back in your favorite Telegram channels in no time. Thanks for watching.